Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, today guys I'm gonna show you how you can get registered with Mavie Global. Right, this is a unique opportunity, and that is actually it was the Ultron Foundation that partnered with Mavie Global to be their marketing arm so that they can grow their ecosystem. And guys, it's a huge ecosystem that I will in further videos explaining detail by detail what's happening. And guys, what I'm gonna do is tell you how you can register. Guys, I've just found out one new thing with doing this process, that you can't get registered if you don't have a referral link. Okay, you need a code from someone to be able to register. Imagine if you are on the Mavie Global general website, so Mavie.global, you could click on sign up, sign in, sign up, and from here you can directly log in. If you are already a member, you can from their general website you can directly log into your account. All you need is your email and your password, and click on sign in. But if you want to create a new account, if you are a new member, okay, down below guys I have a link for you to join with me here on Mavie Global and start getting paid revenue share for every lottery ticket that Lottoday sells. And obviously guys, with gaming hubs and NFT gaming hubs, and also we have the staking hubs, so that is very great guys. So you imagine if you create an account, you would click here, and as you can see you need a sponsor ID. If you don't have that sponsor ID, you simply cannot join. So you need to get back to someone to be able to get that ID, so that someone can register directly with the company. So you can directly register with a general link from the company. Alright guys, so like this is gonna be just a dummy account. I just put a random sponsor ID. Let's see, confirm sponsor ID. So I tried several, didn't work, so this is for someone random, right? I'm not, obviously I don't want to register under myself. So then you have to go through the terms and conditions. You need to take a read at this, guys. I read most of it. Okay, take a look. It's very important for us to take a look at this. And then after this, you click on accept, and you need to insert your email. Okay, and to repeat that email, and then click on continue. Okay, so yeah, so guys, there's a thing here that you need to really take into account, which is if for any reason you do this once, okay, if you insert that email that you put there, and you don't go to the next steps, that email is gonna be locked. Okay, I did this actually when I first registered. I was registered with my sponsor, but he has his own account and his wife account, so he wanted me to register with his wife. So I inserted one email, but I didn't go through these steps. So that email was completely tarnished, so I couldn't do anything with it. So I had to input a new email in this step. Okay, so that is very important for you to make sure that when you are registering, that is in the right person and the right email, because then that email is gonna be lost forever. Okay. So I'm just gonna pause a little and change this email. Alright guys, so you insert your email, repeat it, click on continue, and after this you need to insert your password, and you need to create a password. You see, you imagine you need to put upper characters, special letters, numbers, and 8 or plus characters. Right, this is very important. Okay, I'm just gonna insert a random password here. Okay, all good. Click on continue, and as you could see, it says that I've received a new confirmation email, and these are some of the details that you need to insert. You need to select your gender, so male, female, other. Okay, male in this case. You need to select a username. Imagine, okay, I'm not sure if there's a. You insert your name, first and last name. Okay, Mike Rod. Enter. Okay, so this is the first Mike, last name. Okay, and you need to insert an address. Okay, Street 16. I'm just making up something. A postal code. Okay, and the city. Whatever, guys. I'm just making it up. Select your country, and let's see if there is. Now if what it appears, guys. I'm just gonna make it up. See if it's United Kingdom, for instance. Not obviously it wouldn't be my case, but this is just for training purposes. Okay, click on continue, and okay. So okay, guys, the username is important. It needs to be at least 5 characters. Coffee. Okay, and continue, and after this, I believe that. All good, guys, and now all you need to do is to insert your email here and click on sign in, and you would be logged into your Mavie Global back office. Alright, guys, so it was good that I did this video and these situations occurred, because this can happen to anyone, right? So don't forget at least your username, at least 5 characters. For the password, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters. Alright, very important. And guys, basically this is it. And then you will have access to your Mavie Global back office, alright? And then you will be good to go. Then you can purchase. I will show you different steps that you need to go through to make it all work, and very, very simple. Right, guys? So I appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to have a link for you down below. And thank you so much for listening. I will see you on the next one.